everybody, JC's Adventures. How are you doing today? As always, I'm based out of Worldwide RV in Mesa, Arizona. And today I've got something really nice to show you. This is the 2023 Jayco J-Feather 21 MML, and that is a Murphy bed. This is probably my favorite of my mid-sized trailers, specifically because it maximizes your room. If you haven't seen my video before, go back and look at what makes a J-Feather the J-Feather. But as always, I'll kind of explain to you really what Jayco does differently and why it really should be the trailer you pick. First of all, we're gonna start, you have a plexiglass front end with the LED lighting. Again, it's beautiful, but it's also practical because with the diamond plate, now you have a good ability to push rocks away. Two 30-pound propanes, and of course your power tongue that goes on that integrated A-frame. Again, you guys remember, everything Jayco does is not only about comfort and looks and giving you room, but safety as well. That integrated A-frame on the Goodyear tires is gonna give you more stability as you're driving down the road. As always, we do recommend a weight distribution hitch. We'll go into that at a different time. Again, you guys, our Magnum Truss roof system is making it it'll stand 4,500 pounds and it's walkable. So snow, trees, anything that you can have that's coming on your roof, you're protected with the Jayco. As you can look on the outside, I've got the awning open. You have an LED light that goes all the way down. You have marine grade speakers. And again, now you have a nice outside area. One of the things that Jayco does, they really think about everything. So let's say it's raining, this is starting to gather water. You simply pull this down and now one end is gonna drop that water off. And it's super simple, you can do it on either side. Again, if you're camping in this area, you have the G20 tinted windows, so you can keep yourself private from the outside and the inside and allow yourself to maximize that room. You guys think about it, when you're out camping, what are you worried about? I have a lot of people who are like, oh, I really want a bedroom. Okay, great. And we have models for that. But if you're looking to maximize your space, that's where this one really comes into play. And let me show you why. So as you come in, they've really thought of everything as far as the overall layout of this. Now again, she's about 26 feet long and a little over 5,500 pounds dry. So pay attention to that depending on the truck that you're looking for. But as you can see, you have a couch here, you have theater seating here, and you have your dinette here with the TV right across from it. These, of course, are removable. So if you have friends and family over at the campsite, you have plenty of room to do it. On the same hand, when you're ready to go to sleep, simply pull that out, pull this out, drop it down. Now I've got a queen size bed to include night lights and storage on both sides. And again, you guys, like I keep telling you, we don't use particle board and OSB. Why is that important? Because if it gets wet, it's destroyed. And if you guys have been shopping for trailers before and you walk in, you'll see trim pieces coming off. Literally, I've seen a lot out there of things that just aren't put together as well as the Jayco. Take a look at our crown molding that goes all the way around. What this does is it literally keeps everything inside so you don't have those seams showing. Even right here, this is an H connection, so these panels go in to again keep everything solid. That's tongue and groove plywood above us, that's tongue and groove plywood below us, as well as a linoleum floor. We don't use carpet because that's one of the big things that most of the campers have said they're just tired of. It got messy, it got dirty. There was no way that you could really do that. Now, pads. When you guys are looking at campers, you want to take a look at everything. Take a look at the pads that they're using for their seats. Jayco uses 4-inch high-density foam, and then this material is scratch-resistant in the aspect it won't rip-resistant. But it's also, with the G20, you don't have that issue of the sun fading everything out. We are part of the Stacy Stewart collection. She is our head designer at Jayco, and I'm telling you, you guys, these are actually really, really comfortable as you come in and practical. So I can set out, I can lay down, I can relax. Because when you're camping, isn't it really about relaxing? Nobody's trying to be uptight. Nobody's trying to put on a show. You want an area where you're gonna have comfort. And this is where I really like this trailer because, so first of all, let's say you got friends over. Well, let's put the bed away. I don't wanna make it. We need an area for them to sit. We got it. They're sitting here, but take a look at this. Look at how much room you really do have in the kitchen area, you guys. And I don't know about you, but at home, this is where I spend a lot of my time talking to my friends, really hanging out. You know, you're coming in. This is a propane electric refrigerator. Plenty of room for camping. And as you come in, counter spaces here. You have the Furrion vent. You have a 3-burner cooktop. You even have a small oven for pizza, but you also have a microwave. And notice everything's positioned where you can use it. This is your solar controller. You do have a 190 watt solar panel on board that's specifically to keep your battery charged. Now, there's a lot of questions about solar out there. All the solar panel does is keep your battery charged. So what runs off of your battery? Your stereo, your awning, your lights, your slides. Outside of that, you guys, you're going to need a generator if you're going boondocking and you want to run your microwave, your TV, or your air conditioner. And it's important for you to know. Or a crap ton of solar. You're better off to just bring a portable generator. Now, again, I told you guys that we don't use particle board or OSB. All of our cabinets, if you take a look at how the quality of what the hinges are, how much room there is in them, you can actually fit a full dinner plate there. But look at here, you guys. One of the nice things, look at how much room is in the pantry. I've been in a lot of campers that will skip on certain issues. And like anything else, different floor plans are going to do it. The 21 mmL, I just think gives you the most bang for your buck, as long as you're okay with a Murphy bed. A lot of people aren't. Why? They don't want to put it up. They don't want to put it down. They just want to leave it. Me, I want it out of the way. I don't want to make my bed. I don't want to have to worry about it. I want to just be able to go and have fun. And when I'm out with my friends, relax. When I pull my bed down, that's when I'm going to sleep. Now take a look at the bathroom. As always, you guys, I talk about our showers are actually reinforced with plywood and 2x4s underneath. The reason for that, they're not going to sag, but the P-trap is never going to be hurt. Well, okay, never's not the right word, but it's a lot less likely than it is in other units. We used to do shows, and the other makes would be like, don't jump up and down in our shower, because we would have people do that. When we were at the factory, it was interesting when you get to see this hands down, because when they're building it, it really is a high quality build. As you can see, you have the skylight, so you can be 6'3", 6'4" even, and take a shower. Now again, the taller you are, the more limited, but it gives you plenty of room. As you can see, you have a full medicine cabinet. And then you also, as you come in, have a towel room. Again, you guys, there's so many opportunities with Jayco to get the best one for you. This is the Jayco J-Feather 21 mmL. I am here. It's JC's Adventures at Worldwide RV in Mesa, Arizona. Come get a Jayco.